guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make Labouyi Farin or porridge with flour. So for this you're going to be needing some sugar. This is about half a cup of sugar, but I'm pretty sure I won't be using it all. And I have the skin of a lime, and I just pretty much skin around the lime. And I have some nutmeg I'll be grating, and I have some cinnamon sticks. So this is about 3 cinnamon sticks. And I'll be using half a cup of all-purpose flour and 1 can of carnation milk. And I'll be using some almond extract and also some vanilla extract. This is the vanilla and this is the almond. This came from Haiti. And you'll be needing 2 cups of water, and you'll be needing about half a teaspoon of butter and a little bit of salt. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, so you want to go ahead and set your stove to medium high, and you want to go ahead and put the flour into a saucepan. All we're going to do is roast that flour so it don't have that flour taste when we are making our porridge. So again, constantly stir that pot because we don't want to burn our flour. We just want to try to get a nice roast. Okay, so I'm going to do this for about a good 3 to 4 minutes. Again, continue constantly stirring the flour so it is not burnt. And I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, as you can see, my flour is kind of turning color. It is no longer that bleach white. It is like a light brown color now, and yet it is not burnt because you don't want it to burn at all. We just don't want that dough taste when we make our labouyi. Okay, just like this. You can see at this point you want to go ahead and transfer that into a bowl. And then we can put our water, and so we can start making our porridge. As you can see, I'm going to be using that same pot, and I went ahead and put in my cinnamon sticks, and I'm going to put about 1 cup of water to that. And I'm going to put that the skin of my lime and a little bit of salt. Okay, and allow this to come to a boil. Once that starts to boil, we're gonna go ahead and take our flour and add that 1 cup of cold water to it, and use a whisk. And make sure you whisk it. Make sure there's absolutely no lumps in there. If you need a little more water, go ahead and add a little more to it, but you want to make it as smooth as possible. Which I can see I might add another maybe half cup of water, 1/4 cup of water to this, so it can be a little more watery. Okay guys, this is what the flour is looking like. And now my water is starting to boil. You want to go ahead and whisk in that flour mix. I'm only using half a cup because I'm making this for myself and myself only. My kids are in school and my husband is at work. Okay, so to that I want to go ahead and add that milk. And again, whisk that in really well. Okay, and I like mine to be on the watery side. I don't like mine to be super thick to the point where I feel like I'm eating like my moulin or something. I like mine to be on the watery side more than the thick side. So I'm going to go ahead and grate in my nutmeg. This 1/4 teaspoon, or about 1/8 of a teaspoon, and I'm going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla and almond extract. So with both it's about 1 teaspoon, so half a teaspoon of each. My favorite one is that almond extract. It smells so good. Okay, if you guys haven't, please go follow me on Instagram, go like my Facebook page, and also go follow me on Twitter and come snap with me on Snapchat, and also go subscribe to my other YouTube channel. It's La Miss Au Recette Creole. I make those videos speaking Haitian Creole. I will leave the link for all those down in the description box for you guys to check out. So now I'm going to add some sugar. Okay, again, taste your food to see the amount of sugar you want. If you like yours on the sweeter side, of course, add a little more. If you don't, you can add less. Okay, so I'm going to allow this to cook a little bit, or to simmer for a couple minutes, and I'm still going to stir it, and then I will finish it off with some butter on top. Alright guys, I went ahead and turned off that stove, and I'm going to add just a little bit of butter. You can see not much. And as you can see, it is not too thick and not too watery either, just how I like it. But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and definitely share this video with everybody you know. As always, thank you guys so much for watching all the videos and sharing the videos and leaving me all the fantastic comments. And I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.